In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off conversation view, ungroup emails. If your inbox keeps grouping messages into threads and you prefer to see every email as its own item, this quick method will ungroup them in just a few clicks. Conversation view is designed to stack related messages together so you can follow a back and forth more easily. But if that makes emails harder to find, or you want to track each message separately, turning it off will give you a clean, one email per line layout. Start in your inbox on a computer. Look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel on the right side of the screen. You don't need to leave this panel or open any advanced menus for this change. Everything we need is right here. With the Quick Settings panel open, scroll all the way down until you reach the section labeled Email Threading. In this section, you'll see an option called Conversation View. To ungroup your emails, simply uncheck Conversation View. The moment you uncheck it, the app will display a small prompt letting you know that a refresh is required for the change to take effect. Click Reload on that prompt. The page will quickly refresh, and when it comes back, you'll notice an immediate difference. Emails that were previously stacked into a single thread are now listed individually in your inbox. Each message has its own line, its own timestamp, and its own subject line, which can make scanning and triaging much faster, especially if you receive multiple messages with similar subjects. Nothing is deleted or moved by this change. It only affects how messages are displayed. Your labels, stars, and read or unread status will remain the same. If you open a message after the reload, you'll see only that one email, rather than the entire conversation chain. If you try it and decide you miss the threaded view, you can come back to the same place at any time. Click the gear icon, scroll to Email Threading, recheck Conversation View, and click Reload again. It's a reversible preference, so feel free to switch based on what works best for your workflow. A quick tip as you get used to the ungrouped layout. Pay attention to subject lines and timestamps, since similar subjects will no longer be stacked together. You may also find it helpful to use search and filters more often to surface exactly what you need. That's it, gear icon, uncheck Conversation View and Email Threading, and click Reload. Enjoy a cleaner, ungrouped inbox.